Hey, this is your favorite tech with another tutorial. Be sure to check us out on our website or text us if you need tech support. Windows 10 taskbar not working or taskbar hidden. If you don't see your taskbar currently on your computer, it could be two reasons. It can be that your computer is having an issue or a glitch, or that you have some options on to hide your taskbar. So for instance, you don't see mine here, but you don't see it until I put it right here, then it shows up. That's an actual setting. So if you go to type in taskbar and you select taskbar settings, you're gonna see right here, it says automatically hide our taskbar in desktop mode. If I turn that off, then it will basically stop hiding my taskbar. As you can see here, it's always there. And obviously, if I turn it back on, then it will not show my taskbar unless I actually put my mouse in that area where that taskbar would be. So that's automatically hide taskbar in tablet mode as well. We're not in tablet mode currently, so right now we just have the taskbar always showing. Now, if you're not looking for that solution and you're actually having your taskbar having serious issues, then this is going to be the second thing we're going to do. We're going to go to the menu and type in services. Now you want to scroll down. You can also click W and it'll jump to all the W areas. We're looking for Windows Firewall. So when you get it, we're going to double click on that. All right, you're going to go to Windows Firewall, double click on it. When you get there, you're going to make sure it's set on automatic. Press OK, and then I want you to close your computer and restart your computer completely. All right, so if that last method don't work and you still don't see your taskbar, here's what we're gonna do. It's very important you follow instructions. You're gonna go to the start menu and right click. It's gonna bring up a different type of menu. You're gonna select Windows PowerShell as admin. It's very important as admin. Then I want you to go into the actual PowerShell box and type in PowerShell. Okay, at that point, if you go to the links in the description, we have an actual code that I need you to run. So just copy it with your mouse, put your pointer right here where you see the marking, and then I want you to left click, I want you to right click, go to edit, then paste. All right, and once you paste it in there, it will paste there. Then you press enter, and you just let the command deploy. Okay, while it's running, if you get any red text on the screen, do not worry, it's not a big deal. All right, when it's done running, you're gonna see something right here that says PS System 32. That lets you know that it's done. And at that point, I hope this solves your taskbar problem. Go ahead and reset your computer and check. Thanks. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.